Hello, everybody. This is a Lamley unboxing. I know this is a US case, but I don't know much more. Mattel sent me 6 cases, G, H, J, and K. They don't do an I because it looks like a 1. And I haven't opened those yet, so this might be a J, but I'm looking at some of these other cases. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming this is a store exclusive case. But it's kind of fun to do this and not know exactly what I'm going to open up. Maybe Walmart, maybe Target, maybe something else, maybe something entirely different. I don't know, but we're going to open it up and find out. So let's just cut open this tape, see if we see some Zamacs or some red editions or whatever else we see, and get this thing opened. All right, I'm seeing maybe, well, I don't know, what am I seeing? Well, this, I think, is a case I haven't seen, because I know that's new. So let's just pull these out and have a look. I've seen pictures. I have not seen this in person. All right, so we're looking at a J case, right? And maybe it is just a J case because I don't see anything unique about it. So maybe I'm just opening a J case, which is fine by me. This is the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk LBWK. We're seeing more Liberty Walk models in this coming from Hot Wheels. And this thing is a gem. Wow, what a beauty. This is based on the Skyline that they did, the Ken Mary Skyline. And it is fantastic. Can't wait to open it up. We're going to do a highlight pile, right? Because I haven't done, this is a new case to me, right? Blade Rider and the Back to the Future Time Machine. Very exciting. Oh, wow. Kickmart. Let me just move the lighting here just a little bit. Here's the 22 Toyota Tacoma, and here's the Gotta Go. Obviously, the Tacoma is going to go into the highlight pile. Here it is in red. I have no idea if the J case has shown up in stores yet. I know other unboxings have been done. This came from Mattel. It means if they're sending it to me, it's inevitable that it's going to come out. Like, it's going to come out very, very soon. So let's put that off to the side. It's a Zamac case. There it is. It is a Zamac case. So this is a Walmart J case. So this will be hitting very soon. That's the Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400, Zamac number 7. We've seen, what was it, recolored in red? White first, red. Now we have the Zamac version. That's fantastic. We'll put that off to the side as well. So now we know what we're looking at. Oh, and there's another Zamac. 95 Mazda RX-7 in Falcon livery. That is fantastic. All right, I'm already saying this J case appears to be loaded. We've already seen the Ford GT40 Mark IV. Here is the second Zamac model, the Bone Shaker. It's the open top bone shaker. This is number 9 or 8. Looks like number 9. Celebrating 10 years of the Zamacs. I don't know, have we had a Zamac bone shaker before? I don't know if we have, but that is great. That goes in the pile. Let's keep going. Bricking Speed, more of that Lego style stuff. Rocket Box, I know you can't say. Can you say Lego with Mattel? I don't know. Anyway. Woohoo! Automobili Pininfarina Battista. This is in yellow. This is not considered a new model because this casting was made for Hot Wheels ID in that very elusive final batch. We've showcased it here on the Lamley channel. And I think it's going upwards of like $500, $600, $700, $800 for that set just because it's kind of vanished. No one knows where it is, and I don't know if it's going to show up. But this thing is amazing in yellow. When I do a highlight video, I will open this up and I'll bring out the ID as well. Wow. That is awesome. All right. MST Suzuka and the Ford Bronco, which we've seen. Fun, fun, fun. All right, Locomotor in gold. We've seen that. Okay, here, this is kind of interesting. This is the BMW R9T Racer. I've told you I've seen it with black wheels. Now I see it with the chrome wheels. So there's a variation on that for those that collect that. And then the classic TV series Batmobile is now recolored. The tuned version is recolored in blue. I guess we'll put that in the highlight pile as well. Super Double XSTI, we've seen that. Custom small block, I think we've seen that. Fast Fish, Kind of cool. 2020 Jaguar F-Type in black. That was the Super in the last case. I believe this would be the Super in this case, right? The custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. We'll put that off to the side. Oh, and then the Honda Super Cub. That's new as well. Right? Yeah, new for 2022. We'll have to put that in the pile. I don't have the Super of this one. Mattel did send over a bunch of Supers, but I do not have this one. But that's what the regular looks like. Kind of a cool car. And then, yeah, if we find it with real riders, I don't remember what wheels, it would be the Super Treasure Hunt. Oh, ho, ho, ho. 94 Bugatti EB110 SS in gray. How cool is that? We've seen it in blue, and then it first came out in yellow this year. Love the wheels on that. Very cool 80s styling for this one. Yeah, I'm in love. I am in love with that. Wow, that looks good. Off to the highlight pile you go. Coupe Clip recolored in red. Off to the highlight pile you go. And the Shelby Cobra looking nice. Seen the Range Rover. We've seen the Track Manga. And we have seen the McLaren F1 GTR. There's our third Zamac. 71 Dodge Charger. That looks cool. That's your number 8 Zamac. They picked a nice one. The castings, I don't know, like the Mach E1400 and the Bone Shaker. Big fans of the Bone Shaker. And then this is a cool one. This one doesn't have like the super go-to model that some of the Zamac batches will have, but it's still a nice mix, right? That's the Dodge Charger. That looks cool in the Zamac styling. So now we know it's a Zamac case, and we know what's in there. These are the other two. Let's see if we can get these out. There we go. Volkswagen Baja Bug. We've seen that recolor of the 70 Pontiac Firebird. It was in white. This is the Legends winner, right? And now it's in red. That looks nice. And the Jeep Cherokee, which was new to the last case. All right. Let's see what we have in this second batch. I always enjoy opening a new case. And I watch the unboxings too, but sometimes you get to watch these and I like to be surprised. All right, we're going to start seeing the repeats of the Zamacs. So there's all of those. We'll just keep going. Let me push these off to the side just a little bit. So now we know there's going to be at least two. GT Scorcher looks cool in green. That's nice, kind of based on a Skyline silhouette, right? That was a Rio design. Tesla Roadster, and there's the RX-7 again. Woo! LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2 in dark blue. Hot Wheels Racing Deco for this guy that was a star last year. That looks cool. That will definitely go into the collection and the highlight pile, which is growing. Velociracer is cool, but how about that? Another LB Works. That might be cleaner than the... I kind of like that better. I wish we had... Well, we have headlights, right? Don't get the tail lights. We got the gray version last year, but I like this one with the black 10 spokes. Man. I guess we could call the J case the Liberty Walk case, right? Audi RS e-tron. Man, look at this. I know a lot of you have found this, but here is the 1986 Toyota van, and wow, that is awesome. This case is loaded. Wait until I do the highlights of this. And we've seen that one before. My goodness. Jeep Glider, we've seen that. Mod Rod looking cool with Broken Promises deco. There's the Batmobile. I might spend more time on those than any other case, but there's just so much going on. Di Macchini Veloci, we've seen that. Volkswagen Baja Bug, there's another Bone Shaker. So now I think we've seen one or two of each of the Zamacs, and now we're going into the third Zamac. So, Bat, Cobra, Charger, Range Rover, Ford GT, Bone Shaker. So I think we're looking at 3 each of the Zamacs, right? Nice to see another Toyota van. Racing Fuel. Have we seen the Treasure Hunt? I don't even know. Mark starts. Sometimes I don't think to look for them, and then I forget. So maybe you guys can tell me if it's been out there. if I pulled it and just forgot about it. I think all of these we have seen. And we finish off with another Moon Eyes car, and it's a recolor of the Dodge Dart. And the Trek Ripper. That's a case. Wow, what a case the J is. And that's the Zamac case. I am, like I said, I have a J case here that I haven't opened yet, so I might be actually posting this video after I do the J case, but we'll see. But check out the highlights. This is the first I'm seeing of the Toyota van, 2 Liberty Walks, the GTR and the Lamborghini, Firebird and the Coupe Clip, and the amazing Bugatti. The Bugatti might be my favorite in this case, as much as I love everything here. There's your regular, or there's your, what would be the Super Treasure Hunt. The tuned Batmobile is cool. Love the Automobili Pininfarina Battista. Honda Super Cub is super cool, super cute. Recolor of the Toyota. Oh yeah, I forgot about the Skyline. That, or man, what is my favorite in this case? RX-7 is awesome, plus the 3 Zamacs. What are you gonna do with this case? It's amazing. You guys tell me what you think. That is your Zamac case. Look for it in Walmart's, like now maybe, or soon. Thanks everybody. Bye.